Dreamers, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how much I made from reaching 15 million views on long form content. None of them YouTube shorts, but I'm talking about long form content. I've got 15 million views, and I just reached around 313,000 subscribers, and I never thanked you guys for getting me up to 300,000 subscribers. And this video is for you guys, all the subscribers, to everyone that subscribed. So this is going to be a bit of a fun video for everyone out there that's subscribed to this channel and that's just wondering, how much do I make from 15 million views on YouTube? Now, I'm not gonna waste your time. We're gonna dive straight into it. Let's go to the lifetime of the channel, and then I'm gonna give you guys everything straight up front. Now, 15.2 million views. Let's zoom in just a little bit. Here we go, guys. You can see that my estimated revenue, well, is around $351,000 from 15.2 million views on YouTube. Now, half of that, I ain't gonna lie to you, half of that is probably gonna go to Texas. About 40% of that is gonna go to Texas. And then 1 year I didn't have the LLC because I never really made more than enough in YouTube before, so I had to quickly get my LLC to get most of that money back the following year. But 351,000 subscribers, and I came a long way from all the way back in 2017. I was doing YouTube for a while. I started, I stopped, and then I really picked it up right here. But somewhere in 2020, a little bit before COVID, I was like, okay, let me really dive inside of YouTube. I talk about financial educations. I started to teach myself. The more I learned, I had to force myself to learn to make YouTube videos. And then I gave you guys information. You guys left great comments. I learned more. You guys want to learn this. I taught myself up on that so I could teach you guys. And somewhere in 2020, COVID happened. And then I just started to post a whole bunch of videos when I had a whole bunch of time. Right in this year, from 2020 to 2021, I was just posting a whole bunch of videos, making a lot of money. And I had actually posted one of my biggest videos, getting over 1 million views on one of these spikes right here. And I'm gonna show you guys how much I made from that. Now, the video I made, they got 1.9 million views. Getting rich is super easy. Basically walked you guys through my process on how I make money inside the stock market, and that literally anybody can do it. Anybody can make money inside of the stock market. It is not hard at all, guys. Check out that video if you're new to investing. It's not a long video at all. It's only 12 minutes and 34 seconds, and it's going to change your life. It changed 1.9 million people. That's crazy. It changed 1.9 million people's lives. And this one video alone generated me $57,000. This one video made me $57,000. If we scroll down to let's look at the revenue. We could take a look at the RPM. My RPM right here was at almost $30. That means for every 1,000 views I got on this video, I was getting $30. And that right there was a life changer for me. Now, going back to my revenue, let's look at my 2024. In 2024, I made $43,000. And listen, I could have made way more than $43,000 in YouTube alone. I make some from my affiliate marketing and sponsored videos and stuff like that, but $43,000 just from YouTube alone. Everybody think, oh, you're a YouTuber, you make all this money, you make hundreds of thousands of dollars from YouTube, and that's how you make it in the stock. Listen, I make more money than this in the stock market, and I really could make way more than $43,000. Because on the trajectory of my channel, I was really posting a lot of dividend content, and those dividend contents videos was making me a lot of money, giving me a lot of views. But I wanted you guys to make more money inside the stock market, and dividend pretty much not. The videos I was making, you guys was comprehending it wrong. You guys was chasing dividends. I never said chase dividends. You want to invest inside good quality companies that just so happen to pay dividends. And then those dividends can create passive income for the long run. But what you guys are doing, you start to go out there and chase dividends, invest into companies that you don't even know just because they have a high dividend. So I had to pivot my channel, even though I was getting hundreds of views, 20, 30, 40, 50,000 views per video that I was talking about dividends. I had to cut it. I made a lot more than this. This is actually down from 2022, 2023. As you guys can see right there, it's down. I had to cut the content and start to make different content to actually make you guys make money instead of losing, because I do not want you to watch this channel and lose money. Then you're gonna come back to me talking about, oh, you lost money. Because listen, like I said, just from last year alone, let's go all the way up to December 2020. Let's go January 2025, December 2024, after Christmas, before Christmas, doesn't matter. I'm up $58,000 in 2024. $58,000. So I made more in the stock market. So I know what I'm talking about. I made more inside the stock market than I did in talking about dividends. So I really wasn't tripping about the transition from talking about dividends, getting lots of views, and starting to pivot towards teaching the wheel strategy and selling options. Now, when you're selling options, you make way more. If you wanted passive income, sell options. And I teach just over the last 2 months alone, I made $10,316 the last 2 months alone, in January and February, just selling options. Set at the beginning of the week, collect the premium at the end of the week. Very easy. You can set at the beginning of the month, collect the premium at the end of the month. I teach how to sell options all the time inside of my Patreon. Guys, if you do want to join the Patreon, I'm gonna leave a link down in the pinned comment section, down in the description to my Patreon. I teach the wheel strategy. It'll take you to my Discord. I got video courses in there over the wheel strategy. I hold Zoom calls every single Sunday, going over our plays for the week. And if you guys do want to join the Lucid Dreamer role, now I have over 4 or 5 different pro traders in there, pro day traders in there that post option trades every single day. And there I post my technical analysis when I buy and sell stocks, and I post everything in there. The Dream Team get all of this included, but if you just want to be a part of the alerts, you can get the Lucid Dreamer role. If you want to learn the wheel strategy like I've been doing, you can join the Dream Team role. If you guys do want to pick up some free stocks, this is how I got started. I got started with some free stocks. I held on to those free stocks, and they end up moving a whole bunch in the future. Right now, Moomoo is offering 30 free stocks. 30 free stocks. If you guys sign up with Moomoo, deposit your money, you can get up to 30 free stocks, and you get an 8.1 cash rate interest on your uninvested cash inside of Moomoo. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, I'm gonna leave both of those links down in the description. But yeah, guys, I did take a big cut from the content I was making because I did want to make evergreen content that if you watch it at the beginning of the year, it would still make sense at the end of the year, because I was making hot stock content there to where the video was only going to be relevant for a week. So, and then I started to transition to evergreen content to where if you watch this video now or next week or next year, it's still going to make sense. And I started to transition from dividend content to the wheel strategy, to where I was selling covered calls, cash secured puts, poor man covered calls, put credit spreads, bull credit spreads. If you don't know what any of that means, you probably need to join the page. Now, the second thing that I did this year was I started a second channel, Dream Green Conversations. Over here, it's just me sitting down, having fun on YouTube, just being a little bit more relaxed. And I just pretty much talk about the economy is going and how we can actually save money, financial education, can't afford to live, the working poor, hyperinflation, on food stamps, can't afford rent, living check to check. I teach you, we watch some YouTube video, we watch some TikTok videos, some Instagram videos, and I break those down on how these people, why they live in check to check, and how to fix their life from living check to check. So we just reached 1,000 subscribers on the Dream Green Conversations channel. If you guys do want to check that out, that link is also going to be down in the pinned comment section. But yeah, guys, that's it. You guys seen how much I made. This is a cool video. Thank you guys for 313,000 subscribers. I can't believe I did not post anything about that. Maybe I did, but thank you guys. Once again, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you made it to the part of this video, let me know that you made it to this part of the video by putting "scary money don't make no money" down in the comment section. That let me know that you're a real one. But in that, guys, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.